First, the top stories. Manipur total shutdown call in protest against High Court order to ban sand mining stone quarry. Medical body calls for 24-hour strike tomorrow against National Medical Commission bill. And mass protest rally takes out in Imphal against growing violent incidents. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Excavator Local Tripper Owners and Workers Association has called for a statewide total shutdown beginning 4 a.m. of August 1st to register a fresh protest against Manipur High Court's order imposing a ban on unauthorized quarrying of stones and sand mining in rivers across the state. This was informed by the association's president Konthozam Rajan while talking to reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal today. He said that this shutdown is in consideration of the plight of daily wage earners. He also announced that the association has decided to bar transportation of raw materials from Dimapur for private and government construction works in the state until their demands are met.
이문도 속법 프로블렘 솔브 되는시다 마판다기 온 포라가 시대 another problem 뭐 합선나고 호너리제 팅분 감들이제 시수문이 부고면시 아이디 강전나더브라 우선나더브라 나트라가 소에서 또경 또리브라 마시마 얌변데 누가이데 마시 가면은 수미행 정비로 아두가 가리 랭고이 포레바 디마부데 랭고이 포레 싱제 시마수 이사이사나 다이트 로비로 아파파터디 아둠 땅아이 파드나 라락 오이브기 홍노비 카르디 톡바타이나 큰제 aduga hajaning ba mana manipur da ban tawbusi mayam na pamnati khanga gasu ban pamnati khanga gasu akoi sume manipur sida acho issue kya da acho ba thodo wa thokta bahar pubiri ba manipur gi masak nair ba civil society organization sing su akoi gi awa ba ji ubire harga angam mateng pangbiu haibo pham simasu mayam da thamjage.
The Indian Medical Association IMA has called for a 24-hour strike on July 31st to protest the Lok Sabha's approval and passing the National Medical Commission Bill NMC 2019. OPDs in government hospitals across the country will remain shut as part of the protest against the National Medical Commission NMC bill, which doctors says will encourage frauds. As a mark of protest against the bill, which was passed in the Lok Sabha on Monday, the Indian Medical Association IMA has called for a nationwide 24-hour withdrawal of non-essential services. Demonstrations and hunger strikes will be held in all states. The IMA has asked medical students to boycott classes in unity. The Federation of Resident Doctors Association FORDA and the Resident Doctors Association RDA EMS have asked members to wear black badges. United Women Rights Defenders UWRD held a mass protest rally today against the alleged failure of the Manipur government to check the growing violent incidents witnessing in Manipur. The demonstrators also demanded the authority to nab all perpetrators involved in live attempt on U. Natasha, daughter of human rights defender U. Nabakishore on July 4 last. They also condemned the mysterious death of baby Sana on July 18 last inside the hostel room of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Earlier, a mammoth public meeting was held at Laikurembi Mandap Kurai in Imphal East. Convener of United Women Rights Defenders, Moirangthem Bina, questioned the government's inability to uncover the truth behind the snowballing crimes committed against women and children in the state. She suspected that life attempt on Natasha and also the threat against WAD office at Palace compound allegedly by police personnel on 2 occasions was a conspiracy hatched by higher authority.
थोइब क्राइम मैम जे नोम नोमगी इसिंग चाउदना जर जर हेंकलपसे अखोई प्रजा पुनमक भाव तामिनरगा इसा इसागी थौदोक मन खलगा लोइना थोकपिरागा लिंजेन मानना क्राइम जिंग जे मुथनबगी दमकता अखोई पुन्ना खोंजंग चंगनरसे हाइबा वाफम से थमजनिंगी नुपी मचा सिंग द चथरैबा नोंमै कापसनबा अदगी बोम लंगसनबा तौरिबो खुदिंगमकसे सरकार ना मियंग चंगसन बिदुना क्राइम जिंग जे अथुबो मतमदा मुथनबा होनाबदा सरकार ना दायित्व लौबियो हाबसे हाइजनी.
The mass rally, which started from Khurai Laikuremi Mandap, marched through Lamlong Bazar and Kongba. The protesters chanted slogans like "We condemn threat against NGOs and bring out the truth behind Baby Sana's death." Imphale's police took out precautionary measures to avoid unwanted incidents during the course of the protest rally. Superintendent of Police Imphal West K. Meghachandra today said that re-investigation into Baby Sana case is underway in a very free and fair manner under the Juvenile Justice Act 75 to allay the people's doubt regarding the investigation process. He was talking to media in his chamber.
Clear so even blood stain man we proved that it was not blood stain in fact aduna moina su yenge thaja de color change tawrakado blood oiragadi koina si color da change tawrakado ne haiba koi do thaja da gi JSC member gi masa gi blood lawraga we tested so yeah ngasi today so and also they were convinced muiso okay adain leibore blood oiragadi kari lakni sigi chemical se thada matamda discoloration change in color and also they also experimented that we all know koi independent witnesses were there animakta ko postmortem animakta adun koina mayam khangnaram ni kana kana yawi kana kana to aduna they also know mayam di panghai da haine adun aina social media da kaida si aranba information tawgum si instead of that if they have any doubt openly we are quite open.
He urged the general public not to circulate false information on social media platform regarding the case, while urging that they should approach the police for any update on the case. He informed that the police have so far arrested 2 persons for circulating false news on social media very recently. Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up next, angry students of Johnson High Secondary School Imphal stage a sit-in protest against transfer of school teachers.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara, phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back after the break. Angry students of Johnson High Secondary School Imphal today staged a sit-in protest against transfer of school teachers. They said the school has already been facing shortage of teachers. The protest was staged in front of the school. These student protesters shouted slogans like "Save life of students," "Fill up vacancy post of teachers," and "We cannot accept transfer of teachers during midterm of this session." Social and Cultural Secretary of the School Student Union, Khetrimem Bijen Singh, criticized the state government for allegedly ignoring shortages of the school, which they said have resulted in poor performance of the students. He demanded that the teacher transfer order should be revoked while warning that the union will launch a series of agitations, including shutting down of the school if the demand is not fulfilled.
अकोई तसेंग हाई कांदा इंस्टीट्यूशन अमदा अकोई हौजी क्लास अदुकी मतिक अकोई सेक्शन यामना लै अदुदो अकोई इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट की दा अकोई हौजी की ट्रांसफर सेक्शन इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट की ओइना चचगी बनी अदुदो इंग्लिश की डिपार्टमेंट दा ओजा अकोई मंगा लैजबनी मंगा लैबजदा अकोई रेगुलर ओजा अहुम अदुगा अनि मना अकोई रामसागी रेगुलर न तो स्कूल जी परमानेंट ओइना ताब न तबा ओजा अकोई समगा अदुमाइना तौजरगा क्लास सी चलाइरमनी सिबोक्ता अकोई तसेंगना हानदगी सेशन हौपदो ओजा अकोई लेक्चर सरोबल ओइ कई ओइ मोइ चचिबदगी यामना अकोई अवाब मायोकनरगा लैरिबनेबा लैरिङै तालकसिदा हाइरबो ओजाजे मु चचिबना मरम ओइरगा अकोई ओजा मसिंग अमदि छात्र म्यामजे अकोई यामना अवाब मायोकनरगा लैबना मरम ओइरगा अकोई तौजौनी छात्र के पुछे मिड सेशन मनुंगा मिड सेशन मनुंगा मिड सेशन मनुंगा छात्र के पुछे.
With an aim to make Thobal district a plastic zone free, a campaign has been launched by Councillor of Thobal Municipal Ward number 12, Sanasam Ibotombi, in collaboration with social organizations. The campaign began by cleaning and dredging of plastic waste from riverbeds of Thobal River. Councillor S. Ibotombi urged the public to give away plastic waste to the municipality garbage collectors and stop throwing them onto the streets and into river. He also appealed to the public to make the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana a successful scheme by keeping village and city clean. Child Line Thobal, in collaboration with District Police Thobal, observed World Day Against Trafficking in Persons on the theme Call Your Government to Action at Recreation Hall of Superintendent of Police Thobal District. SP Dr. S. Ibomcha, Additional SP Law and Order Thobal, T.H. Dishozit, Director of Childline Thobal, Nonibala Narangbam, Thobal SDO NG Binita, and officers of District Police representatives attended the program. Speakers discussed about the management of human trafficking, which has become a major business in the world, and also the hardships faced by the victims. Former member of Manipur State Commission for Child Rights, Kaisam Pradeep Kumar, was one of the resource persons of the event. Speaking about the role in fighting human trafficking, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha stated that Manipur has become a corridor for human traffickers. He also expressed his desire to open different related departments to curb human trafficking cases. As part of a 20-day training program on social emergency response to disaster natural calamities, a training program was held at Citizens Club Mitay Sanglen Soibam Lekai. The program was organized by Imphal East Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal East branch under the aegis of Imphal East Deputy Commissioner. The training program will be held in 10 constituencies of Imphal East. Former President of Citizens Club M. Gozendro Singh, President of Citizens Club M. Rinod Kumar, and SDC of Basikong Rasri Yambem were present during the program. The training aims to educate students and housewives about the first aid before taking someone to the hospital for expert assistance. SDC Basikong Rasri said that the main objective of the training was to make people aware about preparation to tackle any situation calmly, be it natural calamities or disaster.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation and when me see unconscious or a kind of on the pulse later the breathing later kind of sore honda kind of when my basic life to revive to know Kramina, Tony CPR Kamina Pini have the hands on training at a moida when it's Sumngang with the Natana, practically Tambi Bagi, Adugumbagi, Canoni, program the Togzarisi. Aduga atai atopa adu the CPR khakna tana emergency atopa fracture oibai adagi animal bite oibai bleeding gumbo oibai adugum sing do khoina khudakta asagi doctor yorktringai specialist expert sing yorktringai ambulance laktringai da thengna ba mi sing dana khoi common man sing na kramai tawna first aid pi gada ge haibdugi matang dane
hospital natraga doctor eudringaida karmaina koina isana pakhatabida kamaina handle to bangamni victim amma utardi karamhaina adugi victim du mating pang bi bangamgani adugumbagi basic first aid kits kumba adagi saba adagi first aid kamaina akoina mating pang bo oina kamaina pi bangamgani adugumba takpi na makta akoigi Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East branch ka akoina district Imphal East district ki administration gana khudsamna duna sinjarakpa program
A free training program on cultivation of mushroom was organized by Rama Foundation from July 8 to 28 at Changangai, Awanglekai. In the training program, resource person Soram Rajendra Kumar, Regional Achiever Awardee, spoke on scientific method of mushroom cultivation, cooking, diseases, poisonous mushrooms, marketing and financial assistance. A release from the foundation said. Academy of Performing Arts APA Thobal, affiliated to UNESCO and De La Dance CID and associate member of International Amateur Theatre Association IATA, will host the first All-Manipur multilingual dance, vocal and instrumental competition Hongnemba to be held from August 10th till 12th at Thobal Mela Ground, Thobal District. This was informed by advisor of the Academy, Dr. A.K. Priyokumar, while talking to reporters at the Academy premises in Thobal, Bangmataba. He said that renowned personalities of Manipur Art and Culture University will attend as jury members at the event. Priyokumar said the top 21 performers of the competition will also get a chance to perform at the upcoming 31st National Drama Dance Music Festival in Odisha and Global Theatre Festival 2020.
Hariba festival asida ahamba mada kumathoi subaki phangba question singda ikoina free trip ama global theatre festival 2020 uisai ka ta pangthok asida sogi hanjagani loina hariba nimi humni tang tara dagina tang tara agas pangthok asida ikoina maili na ba kamujina ban strike miyam thong midai thongda khomja.
The general public of Tamenglong district has drawn the attention of the state government and concerned authority to take up improvement work on the 40-kilometer long Tamenglong Khongsang road, which is worsening day by day. According to our correspondent, the temporary restoration work of the road was undertaken by MS Morung and Son under National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited NHIDCL a year ago. However, the black toppings have worn out due to poor quality work. Lamjingbatom Bazaar Authority and Durga Mandir Committee felicitated Pratik Dahal, winner of 2 gold medals of 5th International Karate Championship 2019 today. Pratik Dahal won 2 gold medals at Karate Championship held at Netaji Indoor Stadium, Kolkata on July 26 to 28. At the function organized by Durga Mandir, Pratik's trainer, locality people and members of Lamjingbatom Bazaar Authority were present. Let's take another short break, but coming up next, sale of Mau products begins at Kaisampat Lemazamlikai Community Hall, Imphal. Stay tuned for more updates.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom gi leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak Lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Sale of Mau products begins at Kaisampat Lemazamlikai Community Hall, Imphal under the aegis of IPSA and Mau Union Imphal. People from around 10 villages of Mau sold varieties of vegetables, fruits and flowers. Speaking about Mau Kaitel, president of Mau Union Imphal, Punilosi said that the people of Mau used to sell their produce in Nagaland, but later they came to Lamphel Sana Kaitel in Imphal 4 years back. He expressed happiness to IPSA for providing a convenient place for selling the Mau products. He said that the move will strengthen the ties between the hills and valley. They are also planning to sell goods at Singzamei next Tuesday, he informed.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CM commitment ama piduna haro harona lerami adubu hoji phawa mo market haibise yum saba phanghodri mayamna cooperation piraga athubada yum ama sanaba haibagi siso cooperation piraga government da so khara taksinba support to bibraga to biradi yam haro nungai ne na tharjai la liba lobiga da basina so cooperation piraga pungnin thawai jo biraga saman cooperation pirabdi nungai ne na yamna mayam da haro ba nungai chaba phondo chari.
Meanwhile, advisor of Imphal Marketing Coordination Committee Hekruzam Ibotombi Kuman said that the temporary market shed was arranged at the community hall since a proper marketplace promised by the government 3 years back has not been constructed yet. He also appealed to public to extend cooperation. Ibotombi also urged the government to provide a market shed for Mau people in Imphal.
Supermarket ke thungam na kai ki masingda temporary market shed ama leibadu ki mamangda pangthop minasi hadana local kambu sunga su adan tambila padigi admana khoi sinda khena to yari masida su akhoi ge media gi nusi jabe chinau sunga sina phajana amta pawsim sando pira kanda aduga sinda me thungam kai ki khunda sunga sim pamjari ba mayam sunga che mapung phabu embiu aduga mauga imphanga ani gi leinei ba mari saida makhoina pamjari ba akhoi integrative emotional integrity amakal leina bagi changla khongjang aseda miyam masu manipur government su chap chap mateng pangbiu haiba apham kharase swan thamje.
The railway police on Tuesday again arrested a lady and recovered 150 grams of heroin from her possession at Guwahati railway station. The arrest of the lady came just a day after a brother-sister duo has been arrested with 45 kgs of ganja at Guwahati railway station. According to the railway police, the market price of the heroin would be around rupees 30 lakh. The lady was found to be taking the heroin to New Delhi by packing parts of it within 22 soap cases. While carrying out an investigation in compartment number 10 of the DBRT Rajdhani Express 12423, the railway police discovered the lady carrying the illegal drugs in the soap cases in her suitcase and arrested her at 7 a.m. on Tuesday. The accused lady has been identified as Abitri Karmakar. She hails from Nadia district of West Bengal and is the daughter of Birhir Govinda Karmakar. Following the death of video journalist Malin Sharma in a hit and run case at Silchar on Sunday, several NGOs and students' bodies have called for a 12-hour Kasar Bandh on Tuesday. The NGOs and students' bodies have called for the bandh, demanding a better traffic management in the district. Slogans like Kasar Deputy Commissioner Shem Shem District, Administration of Kasar Shem Shem shouted by women folk outside Silchar's Gandhi Park at 2 p.m. sum up the scenes for a tumultuous day ahead in store for Silchar on Monday. The scene erupted after the arrival of the body of video journalist Malin Sharma straight from the morgue of Silchar Medical College and Hospital SMCH, where his postmortem was conducted in the morning on Monday. The BJP's core group on Jammu and Kashmir will meet in New Delhi today to discuss prospects of polls in the state and the current political situation amid speculation that the centre could be preparing to take some strong steps after it moved 10,000 paramilitary men to the state. The UN mission in Afghanistan says that more civilians were killed by Afghan and NATO forces than by insurgents in the first half of 2019. The UN report, which was released today, says 403 civilians were killed by Afghan forces in the first 6 months of the year and another 314 by international forces, comparing to 531 killed by the Taliban and Islamic State affiliate and other militants during the same period. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manipur total shutdown call in protest against High Court order to ban sand mining stone quarry. Medical body calls for 24-hour strike tomorrow against National Medical Commission bill. Mass protest rally takes out in Imphal against growing violent incidents. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.